super fast and beautifully engineered. The Bugatti Type 35 was the dominant racing machine of the late 1920s. This supercharged, straight-eight two-seater Grand Prix machine was designer Ettore's masterpiece. Very few great racing cars match the remarkable original condition of the Type 35C chassis 4871, known as the Red Bug. This remarkable car is fantastic to drive, with terrific acceleration, lightning gear change and superb handling, but still retaining its precious originality. Chassis 4871 is rightly regarded by marque connoisseurs as the most original surviving Grand Prix Bugatti and would be the star of any collection.